First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, this is the headlight from the front, and behind the headlight, notice there is that spot right there. That spot is actually for the turn signal bulb. We are at the passenger side front, and once again there's that plug right there. So what I'll be doing here is, notice there is that condenser line and also one other pipe right besides. I'm going to punch in my arm from underneath like that, grab the plug and turn it counterclockwise. Once the plug is turned counterclockwise, then we pull out the plug. Just like that, that is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. Now to take this bulb outwards, all we have to do is just press the bulb all the way down, and while pressing the bulb down, we turn it counterclockwise, then pull the bulb outwards. There it is, that is how we take out the bulb. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or the other. Just make sure there are some pointers on the bulb, one right here and the other pointer right there. They should match with the position of the plug, one right here and the other one right there. So we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb keeping in mind those two positions. We press the bulb all the way down and then turn the bulb clockwise. That bulb is completely in, and notice it's not coming out anymore. Now we'll go ahead and punch this back where we took it out from. Again, I'll punch in my arm from here like that. We'll make sure the plug is all the way in. You may need to wiggle and rotate the plug a little bit until it completely goes in. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.